We can use the SUMIF function to sum the values in a range that meets specified criteria. We have our sales report and we want to find out the total sales amount by each region. Let's take a look at the syntax. We have three parameters. We have the range, the criteria, and the sum range. The range will be the region because that contains the search criteria that we want. So we select the region. We have our comma. And what's the criteria? The criteria would be north. We have a comma. And then we have the sum range. Sum range would be the values we want Excel to sum together, which would be, in our case, sales. So we go ahead and select our sales range. And now we close the parentheses. Now that we have the sales for the north region, can we use the fill handle to copy the formula to generate the sales, the total sales for the remaining regions? Let's do that and see. Well, we do see that the formula is copied, but do we have the correct formula? Let's check the formula range for the north region. We can see that the range is copied correctly. Let's check the range. I'm going to press escape. Let's check the range for south. And we notice that Excel is performing a relative cell referencing because now it's going down the list and it has excluded the first row. Escape. Let's check for the east. We see that it goes for the down and the same thing for west. And potentially Excel is leaving out values that we need Excel to add together. So in order to fix this problem, we need to change the cell referencing to absolute. And this would be applied to the row. So we need to change the row to absolute cell referencing. So let's go back to the original formula. And we know that the row is the number, right? The columns are the alphabet A and B, that's the column. The row will be the number. So what we want to do is we want to add the $ before the number, which is the row. We do the same thing, $ to 52, and we do the same thing here as well. And now let's enter. Let's copy our formula over and we can see the value has changed. And just to confirm that our numbers are accurate, let's sum together this. So we have a total value of, so the total sales will be 5,153, and we can sum, and this should add up to the total sales we have on this list as well. So I can use the keyboard shortcut, which is Alt and equal, and that's going to, and just enter. So we have 5,153, 5,153. So now we know that our numbers are correct.